I dare anybody to post up if they have a ratchet longer than this ratchet. Where did you get that? Amazon?
Amazon.
Is it 3/8 or ½ inch?
It's half. This replaced my impact guns. Like everybody else bought electric impact guns, I just bought like a 4-foot ratchet.
Dude, I'm getting one of those for putting my freaking lug nuts on at drift events. That's ridiculous. What is that, 2 feet?
It's 3 feet.
It's not 3 feet.
Yeah, it's 36 inches.
All right.
We already had this conversation.
Dude, it's 26 inches max.
We're not talking about your pecker here. Alright.
You're a pecker.
I'm pretty sure it's 3 feet.
No, it's not 3 feet. Wait, don't you have a yardstick here?
I got a tape measure right here.
Oh, tape measure. That works.
You might be right.
See how long it is.
It's 3 feet.
It is not.
It's 3 feet.
I'm right. Vindication. So I haven't been recording because I thought it was okay to leave Ronnie out here without adult supervision, but apparently it's not. He has set something else on fire. What did you set on fire?
Nothing.
Just the trash can?
Yeah.
Daggum, dude. Are you actually getting any work done?
No. So this again doesn't fit.
Which what?
This.
Even after you changed the thing?
Yeah, after I did it.
Where is it binding up? I mean, where is it like?
It's like the angle's not right. I don't understand what's going on with this thing. What's up, buddy? It is hot.
I mean, it looks okay. Is it? Oh shit, that's hot. Do not touch your leg to that. If you're watching YouTube right now, do not touch this. It's hot.
Look at this.
Okay.
Like, why does it keep doing this?
I don't know. I mean, it looks like
I
you would just
just
twist it and fix it.
That's the thing. It's like.
Didn't you just have it bolted in?
Exactly. Like I can force it to go in there,
Well, that's okay.
but it's all like jacked up here on the bushing.
Let me come over around there and look how it's jacked up on the bushing. Wow, it's smoky in here.
See how this is like all canted?
Yeah.
Crap. It's just that one. This one looks okay.
Well, maybe this right here needs the base of it needs to be a little further out so that it, because I noticed earlier when I was looking at it, it looks like these are leaning away from each other. These two things are leaning away from each other. So maybe if you take this one and push the base of it out this way a little bit, that looks like it would do better.
I mean, it was tightened onto this. They should have been perfectly flat to the bushing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but they're
Like,
not.
I did it the only way I know how.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you know, a little trial and error here.
All right. So, I think I'm done for today. I still got to do the bottom bar. But I want to give you guys a run over of what I did. So, first things first, I did this side, and I set this bar, tightened it up. That's how long it is. This bar's now the same. It's a little crooked. It needs to be tightened up, but right there, it's the same. Same length on my two bars. I just have to put it in my mount and tighten it up. And the way you do that is you stick your bolt in, and and you twist them till they're the same length. So put this bolt through this bar, stick this bar on the nub, do the same over there, put this part on the nub over there. When you're on a bench, I'll show you how to do it with the long bars. And you do that. Then what I did is I went ahead and plated that. It's got to get welded up some here on the end, but the bottom's all solid, the front solid, the top solid, just like I did here. Then what I did is I measured over here, from here to here, which was 6.5 inches. So I marked this 6.5 inches, and then I welded that guy on there. So that was good. Bolted my bar in, bolted my things on. And on this side, I'm a lot happier with the way it turned out. We learned a little bit from doing this side. So this side, I tightened the bolt up, tacked it on. Bad idea. I left the bolt loose, and I pushed my bottoms out a little bit on each side, pushed them out, and then I just pinched them together like this against the bar. So basically like this, I went boop and held it, tacked each side, and then I was good. And that bar fits in a lot better. As soon as it cools off from me welding that piece on, I'll show you guys how it fits, but it fits way better. But I'm just trying to give you guys a more explanation on how we did this. So measured here to here, 6 inches, because this is consistent on each side, factory mounting point. 6 inches, well 6.5, marked it. I had to grind some of the factory piece off here, and I had to cut this big hole so that my nut can fit in there. And then I welded this on. I welded it all right here. I ground it down because we're going to have to weld it with a better welder. But my welder seemed like it was doing really good today, so I was giving it the beans and welding. But yeah, it was super simple. I didn't measure any of this. I just bolted it into here and let it sit where it wanted to sit. And it fits really well. I can slip this bar in pretty easy. Just get her in there. Kinda. There we go. And it goes right into place. Looks just like it should. So both my top bars are done. I just got to finish up this side. I think I'm going to take the leaf off today. I don't know. It's kind of hot. Right now in Sierra Vista, we're at this funny time of year where it's like hot in the morning and then it rains in the afternoon and cools it off, so it's super humid. And if you're from Arizona, like, it's pretty crappy. But anyways, yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go get Bo and explain to him what I explained to you and see if he has any questions so I can answer your questions. Hopefully before you ask him, answer them. You guys are gonna answer the questions, that makes sense. Well, there it is. I got a 3-link.
Dang, look at this. It's all coming together. Are we gonna be done with this like this week or what?
I don't know, I gotta talk to Paul.
He's gotta get out here and do some welding, right?
Well, he's gotta do some welding, and I need to get some parts from him so that we can finish up the bottom on this side.
That bottom link right there, we need to finish that up on this side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta get that leaf spring off and get that block out and things like that. That reminds me, I gotta get bigger lowering blocks for my truck. So what do we got left? That bar over there. And then Paul welding this up.
Yeah, the bottom bar and then welding it all together. And the rear and welding this crossbar up. And then the rear fork.
But that's where that crossbar is, it's where it's gonna be?
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. We can't flip it the other way because then this would hit the pumpkin.
Right.
So that's the way it goes. And right now, this is pretty straight up and down.
Okay.
So it may need to go back slightly or this way slightly, but I think it's right where it needs to be.
Okay. Well, that works.
Yep. So when Paul comes to weld everything else up, he'll weld that on, and then we'll make that coilover fit that side, and we'll have the back done.
Right on. So we still have more things to set on fire. We got more welding to do and more fires to start. But that's it for this video. That's 4-link stuff.
Yeah, hopefully I did a good job.
Hopefully. All right,
We'll
dude.
see.
We'll see y'all later.